Okay? This person is a distinguished figure renowned for his remarkable achievements and contributions across multiple fields as a Guinness World Record holder with an impressive total of 10 world records. Wow! He has demonstrated exceptional skill and dedication in various challenging endeavors. A fourth Dan black belt in Shitoryu Karate, Dr. Raksha Kumar Rai. Put your hands together, everyone. He is also an esteemed international referee and coach, inspiring countless students and athletes with his expertise and passion for the martial arts. Beyond his accomplishments in karate, Dr. Rai has been deeply committed to social work since 2018. He actively engages in various social welfare activities, striving to make a positive impact in communities and uplift those in need. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, once again a great round of applause for Dr. Raksha Kumar Rai. So please share a few words with us.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thank you, Announcer. First of all, the president of this historic convocation ceremony, Honorable Chief Guest, Special Guest, all guests, journalists, we are receiving honorary doctorate on different categories and audience. I want to salute you millions times, not only from a side but also all the blues. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. I would like to express my best wishes and congratulations to all of them who are having honorary doctorate on different categories. I never forget I would receive this fifth honorary doctorate. Also, I remember the pride of all the police for being successful in making this fifth honorary doctorate from International University of Cambridge. At last, I would like to conclude with my sincere gratitude to International University Cambridge. Thank you. Jai Nepal.
Thank you so much, sir. And he will also receive the award for stage. So please stay on stage.
Raksha Kumar Rai from the field of martial arts. रक्षा नाम पहले रखा था मुझे मार्शल आर्ट सीखने के बाद रखा था कि रक्षा करेंगे। प्लीज एक बार तालियां हमारे वर्डी के लिए अब तक के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। रक्षा तो आपने सोचा कि मैं मार्शल आर्ट में चली जाती हूँ या मार्शल आर्ट सीखने के बाद आपने ये नाम रख लिया था कि मैं रक्षा करूंगी इस देश को। प्लीज आइए, लेट्स वेलकम रक्षा। प्लीज, कंग्रेचुलेशन।
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thank you, Announcer, for calling me over here. First of all, the president of this historic convocation ceremony, Honorable Chief Guest, Special Guest, all guests from different countries, Indian government, journalists, and audience. I want to salute you millions times, not only from my side, but also all Nepalese. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. I would like to express my best wishes and congratulations all of them who are receiving honorary doctorate on different categories. At Holiday Inn, I never thought that I would achieve this 3 times honorary doctorate PhD in the field of martial art. Also, I remember the pride of all Nepalese. Don't stop to struggle. Success is hiding around the corner of unsuccess. At last, I would like to conclude with my sincere gratitude Hessen International University, Germany. Jai Desh, Jai Hindustan, Jai Nepal, Dhanyavad.
Raksha Kumar Rai from Nepal. A big round of applause for Mr. Raksha Kumar Rai from Nepal. He is getting honorary doctorate degree in the field of record-breaking achievements and multiple world records. Many congratulations, a big congratulations to Mr. Raksha Kumar Rai from Nepal.
Keep your face to the sunshine and you can't see the shadow. First of all, the president of this historic ceremony, honorable chief guest, respected guest, all guests from different countries, Indian government, journalists. We are receiving many awards from different categories. Organizer of this program, just like King's Book of World Records, exclusive Book of World Records, Lata Foundation, Pratibha Shri Award, and audience. I want to salute you millions of times, not only from my side, but also 3 crore Nepalese. When you aim for perfection, you discover its moving target. I never thought that I would receive this honor today. But I remember this pride of all Nepalese. We are generating new history for the new youth generation of the world. I used to think that life is like an echo. You will get what you give. Therefore, don't stop to struggle. Success is hiding around the corner of unsuccess. At last, I would like to conclude with sincere gratitude to Weibix University, Ghana. Thank you. Jai Desh, Jai Rashtra, Jai Nepali, Jai Bir Gorkhali, Jai Kirati, Jai Mulbasi, जय कीर्तिमानी. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Rai ji. Thank you.
All the doctors!
सनी देओल का डायलॉग वो गदर 2 में था ना, वो क्या था? हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान.
Raksha Kumar Rai from Nepal.
खोजी रहे छ देशले एक युग नाई, खोजी रहे छ देशले देश हक्न लाए, खोजी रहे छ देशले देश हक्न लाए, खोजी रहे छ देशले देव छै पूज्न लायक, खोजी रहे छ देशले देव छै पूज्न लायक, खोजी रहे छ देशले एक युग नायक, खोजी रहे छ देशले एक युग नायक, जननी जन्मभूमिश्च
जाग जाग हे मोर निद त्याग हे, सुती बसे बित्छ जिन्दगी, बिहानीको घाममा सिर्जनाको काममा जुट्न सके बन्छ जिन्दगी, बिहानीको घाममा सिर्जनाको काममा जुट्न सके बन्छ जिन्दगी